Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I like to eat my fish. These are all my ingredients, and this is called Jamaican oven roast fish stuffed with callaloo. So today I'm gonna be using callaloo and pop chow. So guys, if you are a fish lover, then you're gonna wanna stick around to see this recipe. Oh yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are the Baileys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make pot roast oven fish. Okay, so the other day somebody commented like asking me, so you don't cook? You know, it looks as if your husband is the one who is doing most of the cooking or cooking all the time. But yes, I do cook. So today I'm going to show you guys that girl I've used in a kitchen. Okay? Girl can do something. So guys, today I went downtown to the fish market. This is Chinatown. I like the yellowtail snapper and I don't like frozen fish, so this is where I go to get my fish. I don't know, but these big ugly fish, I don't know who's gonna eat them. And I'm just playing around with these crabs because I don't know how to cook crab or how to even eat crab properly. Squid is a big no-no on my list. I love shrimp and I don't know how people eat snail. No discrimination. Okay guys, so I have my fish here and I have a couple shrimp with it. And the first thing I'm going to do is to wash my fish with some vinegar, just to get rid of the okay. Now that that's done, the next thing I do is to dry my fish. So I just So I made some cut in the fish. This is just to get my seasoning in because I love season and spices. So guys, this is most of my ingredients that I will be using today. We have some pop chow here and some callaloo that I will use for my stuffing, my sweet peppers, onion, carrot, my powder seasons, which is like black pepper, salt, a little Caribbean spice there, and I have the one of the main ingredient to make the fish good is okra. Okay, so pretty much that's all I will need. Okay, so the pot was too hot, so I turned it down. And as you guys can see, I turned the oven on as well. And at 350, I'm just gonna start warming it up and getting it ready for when I'm ready to put the fish in. Guys, I'm just gonna cut my carrot up. Okay, this looks good, and now I'm just gonna add some water. And to the water, I'm just gonna add my okras and my carrot that I just cut up. This looks so good, guys, and smells so good with the Maggi and the cock soup in it. I'm gonna put the lid on. Okay, so for this part now, I have my jerk seasoning hot, and I got my butter, some lime juice, a canned callaloo, and my pop chow. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna use for my stuffing. Okay guys, I'm just gonna mix my callaloo and pop chow together by using butter. So, and put my jerk sauce as well, and just mix all that together, and that's like good for the stuffing. So if you notice, I didn't really put any pepper directly on the fish. It's just the stuffing that is going to be spicy. So whenever you eat your fish, you just take your stuffing out and eat your fish. And it's really delicious. Now I'm going to stuff my fish with the stuffing that I just made and seasoned. I'm going to add my butter on top of my fish to keep it all moist and nice, and some lime juice for flavor. I put some shrimp on it, and then now I'm gonna add the sauce that I made earlier on the stove with the carrot and okra. If you guys remember, I'm gonna put some of that sauce all over it and lots of gravy on it. My husband like lots of gravy. Okay guys, so this is what my fish is looking like right now before I put it in the oven. Okay, just gonna fold it up now, and then it's ready to go in the oven. Okay, fish all set, and I'm gonna put it in for 1 hour. Okay guys, the fish is finished, so I'm gonna show you guys what it look like. It's very hot because I just took it out of the oven. Oh no! I'm going to take out this without taking out the juice. Okay. Oh. That's it. So that is what the fish is looking like, guys. Okay. Oh my god, that was so close. Alright guys, so the dinner is ready now. See that girl obvious. Girl can do something. See there. Nice dinner, you know. What you say, daddy? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.